Huifeng Wuqiang Cable Tray Company Limited, established in 2004, is a national high-tech enterprise and a leading manufacturer of cable management solutions. Our products range includes perforated cable trays, cable ladders, cable trunking and wire mesh cable trays. Products available with various materials or surface treatments. Strategically located in Weifang City, near Qingdao, the company enjoys easy access to transportation. Company operates with first-class modern machinery, including over 30 sets of on-time roll forming machines for cable tray, 5 sets of laser cutting machines, 3 automated electrostatic powder coating lines, and 1 large-scale hot-dip galvanizing production line specialized in cable tray processing. Company production strictly complies with international standards and has passed CE certification issued by TÜV, and we partner with accredited third-party labs to obtain certifications for various types of cable tray. Currently holds 28 patents. We maintain an experienced technical management team and skilled workforce, with an annual production capacity exceeding 60,000 tons. Rigorous quality control governs every stage from raw materials inspection to final packaging. Our R&D department continuously designs and develops new production technologies to address evolving customer requirements and complex engineering challenges. With over 20 years of manufacturing experience, we provide all-stop cable tray solutions for a wide range of industries including oil and gas construction, substations and more. Having successfully completed over 5,000 projects, exported to more than 30 countries, we build lasting partnerships by delivering superior product quality, reliable on-time delivery, competitive value, and exceptional after-sales support. We warmly welcome clients to visit our company and discuss cooperation.